Hello everyone! In this tutorial we are going to learn how to make this pair of crochet baby booties. The yarn I have used in this set is very thin, so I used needle number 1. We are going to start then doing 20 chains. Once the 20 chains are done, we make a double crochet in the 70th chain. Then we make 9 more double crochet in the same stitch to complete 10 double crochets. That way we can start turning around in the sole. Once the 10 double crochet are complete, we can continue doing 1 double crochet on each space until the first space. When we are at the first space, then we repeat doing 10 double crochet together there. So we can turn around and 1 double crochet in the other side of the sole on each space and close the round with a slip stitch. Let's start the next round doing 3 chains, double crochet, 2 double crochet together on each space of the previous 10 double crochet together, and then continue with 1 double crochet on each space until the other side of the sole, and repeat 2 double crochet on each of the 10 double crochet together from previous round, turn around and continue with 1 double crochet on each space and close with slip stitch. In the round number 3 we are going to alternate 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet to increase on the extremes of the sole, and then continue with 1 double crochet on the sides and repeat on the other extreme 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet together to turn around until the other side. At this point we make 1 simple crochet on each stitch until the half of the sole. Then we finish the rest of the other half with double crochet. This way the sole can take the form of the right or the left shoe that we want to give. Next and last round of the sole is going to be 3 chains, and keep alternating with 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet together on the increases. Go to the sides of the sole with 1 double crochet with each stitch until the other extreme to keep increasing 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet together, turn around and keep 1 double crochet on each space and close with a slip stitch. If you want a step-by-step written version of this pattern, click in the link in the description below this video. Once the sole is made, let's start raising up the boot. The first round in this step is 3 chains and 1 double crochet on each space, taking only the interior loop of each space. Continue until the end of the round and close with a slip stitch. In the next 3 rounds, we are going to start doing decreases in the half anterior side of the boot. So let's start with 3 chains, 2 half double crochet, and then make those 3 double crochet together, 1 double crochet, and continue doing another 3 double crochet together, 1 double crochet, and continue like this until the half is complete. and then continue the back side of the boot with just 1 double crochet on each space. When you are at the half at the other side, you can start counting some stitches so you can finish the other half with the decreases. And so you can close the round with a slip stitch. We have to repeat this process in the next 2 rounds as well. Once the decreases are done, let's continue raising the boot with just 1 double crochet on each space. This is the easiest part. So we make 5 rounds of just 1 double crochet on each space. Once the 5 rounds of double crochets are done, we start making the loops where the ribbon is going to go through. So 3 chains, 1 double crochet in the next space, 1 space, skip 1 space, and let's do 2 double crochet in the next 2 spaces. Two double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 space, 2 double crochet, and continue until the end of the round and close with a slip stitch. Once these loops are done, let's start with the fan stitch. 4 double crochet together. 2 chains, 4 double crochet together. Two chains, skip 1 loop and make another fan stitch in the next loop, and continue like that all around until finish the round and close with a slip stitch. In the last round we are going to do the fan stitch in those spaces that we didn't do in the last round. One fan stitch, skip the space that was already done, and continue. Once the boot is done, we can decorate with a ribbon on top and a flower, and so done. If you want to follow a step-by-step written pattern of this tutorial, click in the link below in the description. If you want to finish the hat that goes with this set, there is also a link in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe for more videos and click in the bell button to get notifications every time a new tutorial comes.